So I had to splice this together. It ran out while I was explaining this. Vectors is a whole lot to explain in just one little 12-minute YouTube video, because when I teach it in physics, it's a whole hour class where we learn this. So I'll try to not go too long here. But anyway, so when you have a vector, it has an x component and a y component. My green line, if you broke it down and turned it into a right triangle, goes over 5 up 3. Where it starts is called the initial point, where it ends is the terminal point. The magnitude, the strength of this vector, is shown by how long the tail is. The arrowhead shows the direction. How you write it in what's called component form is you write how many you go over first, that's the x, how much you go up second, that's the y, and you make triangle looking brackets to show that these are the components of a vector. That this is a vector that goes over 5 up 3. Now, here is one. It looks all crazy, but I'll explain it to you. I'm going to have to do this over there. Hold on. Let me do this. I did it a different way, and then I ran out of, I wasn't really teaching to anybody. I ran out of space, so let me do it over here. Okay. So here's a y and here's an x. More fun with sound effects. Okay, so first we're going to do these green vectors. I'm going to show you how to draw these green vectors over here. So here's vector JK. It's going to start right here at 1, 1. Alright? And I need to draw this vector over 3 up 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to end right there, which is, it's going to look like that. So it went over 3 up 4. So its components, its x component is 3, its y component is 4. Okay, now we're going to do another one. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Erase that. Okay, let's do this one. This one is going to start here at 1, 1, and it's going to go over 0 up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay, now let's do this one. This one, we're going to start at 1, 1. We're going to go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and down. See how it's negative? And down 3, 1, 2, 3, and the vector is going to look like that. Okay, so that's how you use these to draw different vectors. You have to have an initial point, and then you can do what it says and you can draw the vector. Pretty fun. Now, all of this mess right here goes with this down here. Here, they wanted us to take triangle ABC, the blue one, and go over 4 up 2 to get the red triangle. So A, this point right here, is at 3, negative 1, and to get where A prime is, we just do the math. 3 plus 4 is 7, negative 1 plus 2 is 1, and we put the dot there. We start here at B, 1, 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So B prime is right there at 5, 3. C is at 3, 5, so 3 plus 4 is 7, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So this point where C prime is at 7, 7. You draw it, and there you've got the new point. So this is on the test if you're doing this class with me and taking the test and stuff. And they make you do this. And you actually don't even have to do the drawing to be able to do the math to get the new points. But then you can take these points and draw that figure. And it's pretty easy. Alright? So do this homework, practice it, get your graph paper, get your colored pencils, and you'll be great. Math is great. See you next time.